Hello, I'm Liu Xin in China. As many foreign friends, they want to buy machines, CNC routers from China. But many customers, they have some questions about which one to choose. So in these several series videos, I'll show you how to choose among the various type of machines. This is one I sell most recently, and this one I call it the YMC CNC router. It has a HSD spindle of 9 kilowatts, so it can work on many type of woods: MDF, plywood, chipboard, and solid wood. So this CNC router, it can work almost all kinds of wood board. And the key point of this machine is auto-to-changing function. Usually it can carry 8 tool holders, or like this one, it can carry 12. So it can change the tools during a work automatically. You know, many of the woodwork, it requires more than one tools. If there's more than 3 tools, it will be very painful for the operator to change the tools manually using the spanners. So ATC machine, auto tool changing, is required for a complex work. Usually when you do a cabinet, a closet, or you make other furniture like the wood doors or the cabinet doors, ATC machine will be very handy and convenient. It saves you a lot of time and saves you a lot of labor cost. So this machine with a strong spindle, it can work on all kinds of wood, and with the ATC function, it can change tools fast and automatically. And it will help you a lot with your woodwork business. And the standard work size, work range of this machine is 4 feet and 8 feet. That's about 1.3 meters and 2.5 meters. This is the standard size. And the wood board 4 and 8 feet is a standard one all over the world. I think in any country, the 4 and 8 board is one of the most common and popular ones. And yes, we can make it bigger if you want, such as 5 and 10, or even bigger. We can make that too. On all my machines, we use servo motor. As for the YMC series, we use the Yaskawa brand servo motors. It's a Japanese brand, and this is top brand in China domestic market. So this machine can run very fast and accuracy. The servo motor connects to the motor reducer and then to the gear and racks. In this way, the machine can run very fast and smooth, and meanwhile very safe. This is the new HSD spindle, 9 kilowatts, and it's very stable at any rotating speed, at any RPM. It's stable than the one we used before. As for the control system, we use the SYNTEC. It's a Taiwanese brand, a brand from Taiwan, and we regard this as an imported brand. It's very stable first, and the function are very functional, and this one is very handy, easy to use, easy to learn, and it keeps the machine more safe. It has many sensors to detect the machine. If something not work correctly, this will give you an alarm and it will stop the machine. and you won't damage the machine by some wrong operation. And the SYNTEC brand has a long history on the CNC control field. So usually we recommend the SYNTEC on the ATC machines. So if you are in the business of woodwork and you want a machine to do various type of work for you, you may consider the YMC seed router I mentioned just now. It can do any kinds of woodwork, such as the wood cutting big boards into small pieces, and it can do the relief work if you want to engrave some patterns like flowers, like some animals, or like some religion images. This machine will help you very fast and very easy.